Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Maria Smith, your Senior Credit Specialist with KCMS. I am reaching out to several of you that have been calling us since 2015, 16 about trying to get into the credit program. Don't get me wrong, timing is everything. You definitely don't want to get started in credit repair until you are willing and able to be committed to it. Probably 7 to 9 months is about realistic. Timing is everything. I know unexpected things happen, but when you go through credit repair, you do want to make sure that you are willing to be realistic with yourself and make sure that you take the time to do it the right way. Otherwise, people get frustrated. They feel like they were scammed by credit repair companies. But in reality, yes, I personally was scammed by a credit repair company. So I've been through that. I know what that's like to try to pay a company, hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, and then nothing's changed. You don't understand what's going on. That can be very frustrating and scary. Credit repair is not supposed to be scary. It's supposed to be very educational, exciting. If, I use that word softly, it's not really exciting, but we do try to make it as painless and seamless as we can, but it is a partnership. And so half the battle is cleaning your credit, which is our job as credit specialists. We understand the laws and, what we can do to respond to creditors and stall tactics and all those things. That's our job. But your part is to understand how to rebuild your credit. So if your focus is to rebuild your credit scores, going and getting a bunch of credit cards and creating more bills and more debt because Credit Karma told you to, or adding yourself as an authorized user on somebody's account, credit card, those strategies aren't really going to help you in the long run. So there is a method to the madness, and that is what our program entails. It's to help you recover from the past, clean up your credit, help, take some of those negative things off because life happened and, now that's been in the past. So now today, moving forward, what do you need to do to build your credit and maintain your good credit when you do graduate from credit repair? So that is a big part of this program. Whether you use our company or a different credit repair company, or if you're repairing your own credit, you've got to be able to take the time to be committed. Make sure that we do ask that we spend about 15 minutes on the phone with our clients at least every few months, just so that we can stay on the same page. It gives us an opportunity to educate you and answer your questions and help guide you along the way so that you can be successful in credit repair and hopefully never need credit repair again. So reach out to us. Our contact information is below in the bio, and we are looking so forward to finally being able to work with you and getting you past, having to pay deposit fees and high interest rates on loans and utility, deposits and all that kind of stuff. Let's get over all of that and let's start saving you some money. All right. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed evening. Bye.